Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated and you know where to add widgets. First, long press the home screen to enter jiggle mode, tap the plus button and pick the photo's widget size that fits your layout. Once done, tap Add Widget and drop it where you want, then press Done. This places the widget and registers default behavior. You're now ready to customize which photos appear and to address common display issues that follow. Next, you shape what appears. If you want specific images, mark them favorite in Photos or create a dedicated album. Once done, use the Shortcuts widget or a trusted widget app to point to that album, so the widget shows selected photos instead of random ones. Make sure Photos Permission is set to all photos for the widget app in Settings Privacy Photos. These steps fix selection and permission problems that commonly prevent your widget from updating correctly. To finish, refresh the system cache. Force quit the Photos app and any widget apps, then reopen them. You'll often see the widget update immediately. If it remains blank, restart your iPhone and once it boots, toggle the widget off and on or remove and re-add it. As a last resort, reset the home screen layout or reinstall the widget app. If problems persist, check iCloud Photos sync and storage settings. Mismatch sync often causes missing images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.